Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 9.6.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads. Then select MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 9.6.0. This is the latest version. If you are unable to find, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we have 22, 24 and 25. I am on Ubuntu 24.0. If you are on 22, select 22. Select 24.04. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this Deb bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 527 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will uninstall the star file and we will install MySQL Server 9.6.0. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar it, tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter, ls. Now install these packages. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap-ipadic-utf8, then lib-aio-dev. Hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already installed on latest versions. Okay, Control A. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg -i, then star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Remember this password, later we need this password to login. Hit enter, retype the same, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is installed and it is active and running. See, service is enabled to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u, username is root -p. Then provide the password that we have set for this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 9.6.0. We can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Okay. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Verify the same. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use and provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, we don't have any table, so create table. See, we have created a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Create user David identified by whatever is there in single or double quotes. It is the password. We have successfully created See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session which is connected by root account and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -new username is David -p. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access that database that you have created. See, access is denied for user David to database bank because we have created a user but you haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 9.6 on Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, it is running. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL is stopped 2 seconds ago. See here, it is inactive or dead. Okay, if we took it, we can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password, hit enter. See, we are unable to connect. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Okay, we have successfully installed and connect to MySQL server. So unless these files are not required anymore, remove them to clear the space. rm star.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Unless remove this one also. rm MySQL, press the tab, hit enter. Unless we have cleared the space. Okay. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or Dbeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or Dbeaver on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, go to start. See here, I have already installed Dbeaver. Click on it to open. Now click on this plus button or close it, or go to database and select new database connection. Then select MySQL, then click on next. See, MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number 3306. Then provide the database. We have the database bank. We have the user root. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. See, this is the expected error. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Go to driver properties. See here, in this allow public key retrieval, by default it is false. Make it as true. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected to 9.6.0. Click on OK. Click on finish. Okay. If you want to connect by using other user, okay, first let me expand this one. Expand databases. See, you are able to access all these databases. If you want to connect by using other user, that is newly created user David, click on MySQL and click on next. Then provide same database. Then here give the username. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. See, we got the same. Go to driver properties. Test connection. See, access is denied for user David to database. We got the same in terminal also. See, whatever we have received here. See, we have received the same error. Okay. Okay. Close this one. If you want to run queries against this database, right click. Then select. Then go to SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can perform the queries. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, you got the output. Okay. If you want to create database, right click, create new database, test DB, okay, whatever it may be. Then these are the collection settings. Click on OK. See, new database is there. If you go to the show databases, see, new database test DB is created. Okay, this is the way. Okay, I have installed MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu operating system. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install on Ubuntu Linux. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL Server 9.6.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Then we have seen how to connect from the MySQL client and Dbeaver. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.